Here's a simple step-by-step guide on how to change your Amazon account password. Open your browser and go to Amazon.com. Sign in to your account if needed. Now, hover over Account and Lists at the top of the page. Then click Account to open your main account dashboard. In your account settings, click Login and Security. This is where you can change your email, phone number, and password. Find the Password section and click the Edit button next to it. Amazon will ask you to enter your current password for verification. After that, type in your new password and confirm it. Make sure your new password is long, unique, and includes a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols for better security. When you're done, click Save Changes. Amazon may also ask you to re-log in on all devices. For extra protection, scroll back up and turn on two-step verification if you haven't already. It helps keep your account secure even if someone gets your password. And that's it, your Amazon password is now updated.